That's what it looks like today. It's ad product or ad advertorial product for a lot of you. This is an example of owning the customer. We're going to talk about a plant affiliate, a little plant. They're called succulents that sit in your house that offer really not much value for people, in my opinion. So world's dumbest example on purpose. So this succulent ad, this is most of you today. You make it a little opaque. You're like, ooh, that's going to stand out in the news feed. Great. Then you might write the ad copy, if you can see it up there. Green gifts for moms. Sweet. I'm only going to target moms. My click-through rates are going to be badass. It's going to be relevancy scores through the roof. Someone clicks, you send them either directly to the product page, or that's what it looks like today. It's ad product or ad advertorial product for a lot of you. This is an example of owning the customer. So this is a site that it is one step before the offer that I'm going to challenge you guys with today to look at, and we're gonna absolutely digest and pick apart the shit out of this example here. But it can go ad advertorial this offer, ad this offer, in anything, but something like this, we have to own that pre-sale page that lives before the offer. And I'm going to break it down really quickly and then in depth throughout the rest of the presentation. You'll see here some absolutely great sales copy. You keep walking out of the garden stores with succulents, only to end up killing them a few months later. Start talking about it. So great sales copy, selling a PDF, awesome. Facebook community, great. How I'm going to break that down today is she has positioned herself, this site, as a knowledge reference in the space. So now you had enough excitement to click on the actual little plant ad, so you're clearly somewhat interested. And now there's an education component that's telling you, hey, do you know those things die quick? And you're like, oh, shit, I didn't know that. So she's automatically positioned herself as the knowledge reference in the space. Next, there's a 10 step-by-step PDF on how to not kill your succulent. Guess what's in that PDF? Affiliate links to that same product, to that same exact tree or little plant thing. And more. So she's given options. Oh, maybe this plant. If you like this one better, do this one. Also, you need soil. You need shovels. You need all this. Affiliate commission, affiliate commission, affiliate commission. That's what it looks like. And then a paid Facebook community that they're paying every single month to learn how to not kill succulents, how to keep your plants alive. It is absolutely beautiful, the lifetime value on this versus directly to the product. So the product guy, the example I showed, might make $5, $10, whatever it is. Make up a number. That was a silly example, whatever space you're in. This site has an average order value of over $150. So it's the exact same affiliate pushing plants, just sticking one thing right in between. This looks like a silly example. You're like, cute little plant company, great example, that's awesome. 500,000 people per month come to this little plant company. They have 52,000 monthly subscription members that not only pay monthly to be part of this group, but they paid for the PDF to teach them how to not kill their plants. It's gorgeous. This is an 8-figure business. This is a very sellable business that a garden store, like maybe even Amazon would like to buy this because they're now looked at as the knowledge in the plant space or the succulent space in this example. So enterprise value, owning the customer data, lifetime value is going up, and really they just stuck one little step in between. So we'll digest this a lot more in depth